You know what a paradox is? Well, let me explain with an example. India is the third largest consumer of oil in the world. Every single day, we consume about 4.4 million barrels of fuel. And yet, when it comes to affordability, we're one of the lowest in the world. India ranks 90th out of 110 countries when it comes to fuel affordability. So, how is it possible that a country that consumes so much lacks basic affordability of fuel? Well, the answer lies in another paradox. Interestingly, India's base fuel price is one of the lowest in the world. If you strip away all the taxes, India's petrol price comes to around $0.66 per liter. Compare that to China, which has around $0.85 to $0.9 per liter. So, how is India able to maintain such a low price when almost all of India's oil comes through export? The answer lies in Russia, that currently supplies us 40% of our oil needs at deep discounted rate, especially after the Ukraine war started. India's refineries are also some of the best in the world that ensure that our cost burden continues to remain low. But then comes in the government. Almost half of the price you pay at a pump comes through taxes. India, in fact, has one of the highest tax burdens among its developing peers. Now, when it comes to monthly income, an average Indian makes less than half of what an average Chinese makes. And that's where it all adds up. Low income plus high taxes leads to low affordability. So India has smart imports, some of the best refining, and yet one of the least affordable fuels in the world. And that is what a paradox is. Share it if you found it useful.